Uh-oh. A bird chilling on the side of the wall. Seen it all. It's a couple of them actually.
Who you bombing on? Who you bombing on? Who you bombing on?
I'm working.
Do something.
Make yourself useful.
I stay useful.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Might need to be writing a book right there, you know?
I don't. I do.
Okay.
You
See how they have their back to their space?
No, don't.
Hmm?
What? What are you talking about?
The little house that we have.
Girl, we off that.
Ooh, look at the chandelier. That's pretty. It's different.
Turn the light on. Make yourself useful.
You want these nice, boy.
Just do as I say.
And if I know what you gonna do?
Leave you.
You ain't gonna do nothing.
Ooh, look at that pool. That's nice.
Oh, look, boo. It's a little built-in grill right here. Oh, ain't no pool. Yeah, kids would love indoor pool.
I bet they would.
They would stay all the way here. Where? They would love that. I like the sitting area. Another sitting area with the refrigerator.
Mm-hmm.
And so,
Hold on, I'm about to go out here right quick. It's nice. I think that's what that is. Oh, there's a little gym. Nice little gym.
I would say this area is probably a guest area.
Nice.
Because there's another living room area, and then there's a kitchen area, stove, refrigerator, and then there's a bedroom and a bathroom. So I think that this is the, I couldn't find it, maybe that's it. Yeah, I think maybe this is the guest area. Mm-hmm. Cause see, there's a bathroom and a bedroom over here.
I do.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice.
Mm-hmm. This bathroom got a little sitting area too. It's cute.
Little closet, but you know.
It's so rare to get the closet space.
It's dope. Where's the light?
I'm gonna say I touched it. How much you need?
A lot.
Okay.
This is a fly shower.
Mm-hmm.
I know those must be nozzles, like for the water.
Yeah, it's the water to come out this way and this way.
Yeah, that's dope.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this little PBS area.
This is now. This is worth.
Yeah, they made great use of the space.
Upstairs we go.
Yeah, let's see what this gym
See
looks
this
like.
master. I already did. That indoor pool though is dope.
Yeah, I love the idea of indoor pool. Oh, what's back here? It's a sauna
I forgot.
and another bathroom.
Where's the light? Man, this floor is dope. Where is it?
Yes. Yes. They made just look. They made amazing use of space.
Oh, it's a fly house.
Go inside. Go inside.
This is very dope. Oh wow, it's like tight as hell. This is very dope. And I love these floors. Got a sauna. Oh yeah, this is dope. This is very sweet. Okay.
This staircase looks like it might have been an addition.
Oh yeah, so there's one.
Let's see how supportive it is. I was a little nervous, but
There's what? Going to the left.
they could have been a little neater on this, on the paint sheet.
Oh yeah, that's dope. Decent closet space.
This is a closet and a bathroom.
I love these floors.
Look at this. Look at this closet floor.
Yeah, that's dope.
It's got a sink in the closet.
Yeah, that's weird. They do gotta. I guess you need to wash your hands after you get dressed. I suppose.
And got a little balcony area. Bathroom's pretty good too. So what was hanging here if there's a TV here?
Probably two TVs. They can both watch what they want to watch.
I've seen it. So, yeah.
I like that.
Oh. They were besties.
They were what?
Besties.
Oh. Gonna poop together?
Couple that poops together, stays together.
I guess. It's a nice shower. I don't think I've ever seen a shower like in the middle like that. That's dope.
Yeah.
Got the skylight with the natural sunlight coming through. Yep.
Got another bedroom here. A tiny one. Got a bigger bedroom here.
This is a small one here.
Oh. Wow.
What?
A little homeschool place.
Hold
Or a
on.
little kids room. I would say kids.
A nice size room here.
Look. This is a little kids room area. Look, because look at the size of the door. That is cute.
That is, and it's small. Well, it goes down. That's different.
Right. So it was built for the kids to have something to do, obviously. I love it. Another bathroom that looks nice.
Very.
Okay. Another bathroom. And another bedroom.
Nice. It's a big room here too. What's over here? That's the closet.
So you got one at least 5 or 6 bedrooms, right?
It's a big closet, but no.
Huh?
5 check. I'm not sure.
You got the bedroom downstairs. That's all the guests. That's 1, 2.
You go down the steps?
It's just more space. 3.
You go check. This is dope though. I like it. Very nice. Very small. Got a duck. Okay. I like it because it's different.
Yeah.
Definitely.
6 bedrooms. Let's see the basement has to offer. Finish as I would have expected. I see that they did.
Man, this is nice.
This could be a bedroom, but probably isn't because there's no window. This is the best use of space I've seen so far. And then this, you got your.
You just need a little touching up here and there.
This is the 3rd full kitchen in this house.
Mm-hmm.
3rd full kitchen in this house, numerous bathrooms.
I might like this one better than that one we seen in Troy.
This is
I don't know. That one in Troy was very nice.
The one in Troy was good because of the land.
I love that land.
It had the land as well, but outside of that, this is a great competitor.
Yeah, that's
Because
probably mine.
they use their space.
Hold on, what's this?
That's a room, but it has no
Oh, wow.
window to get. Yeah. That one's shut down. Another bathroom. In another room, but it has no window. This might be a window. I don't know what this was.
Yeah, that looks
They just threw that bathroom together back.
clearly.
This one, I'm not sure what this is, but it could have been a bedroom. So they use their space amazingly, no doubt about that. So this is definitely
For
my
1.
top one.
For
If I had to
1.8,
choose,
out of all the
yeah.
ones I seen, for 1.8,
Yeah.
heck yeah.
Yeah.
And you got a, I ain't show the backyard yet, but it looked decent.
Yeah.
And you got a pool.
You got a pool indoor. That means year-round use.
Right. Well, yeah, basically.
You don't have to worry about leaks and stuff getting in it. And the backyard is a nice size.
Go ahead, jump in the pool.
I think not.
Why not?
Yeah, this is a great size land too.
Heck yeah, it is.
Got your little basketball hoop. You got picnic table right throughout here. Another table. Fire pit already built.
Turn off all these lights.
Oh, here's the laundry room.
Did I see the laundry room?
Red lobster and dryer.
No, I didn't. See it. What's this room in? Oh, the garage. It's a nice laundry room. All right. I love the fact they got a lot of skylight. They like throughout the whole house.
I think they added it, I think.
No, it's been there.
No, I'm saying they added the upstairs
No, it's been
parts
there.
of it.
It had to have been there. Otherwise, it wouldn't have no bedrooms.
No, the bedroom don't seem added. The rest of it seems added. It's weird looking. But I like it. I like it.
I'm definitely, I would definitely, this is the best one out of all the ones we've seen.